the icy lands of Ladakh and Lahore Spiti. In the verdant
Mountain ranges, the Great Himalayas and the Karakoram. It has plenty to offer to everyone. In recent years, river rafting in Ladakh has become an attractive option to complement sightseeing and features on the itinerary of most visitors. Indus is one of the most scenic whitewater rivers in the region. It provides tourists with whitewater rafting and camping options in absolute wilderness.
This water, this is nice to get your paddles in some good water. It's very awesome.
The stretch between Spituk and Nimmu or South Pole is ideal for the professional rafters, and one from Spituk and Karu is ideal for beginners. Passing through densely forested mountains and through steep gorges, a trip down the river is one of the to have a view of the splendid countryside in all its glory. No wonder more than 10,000 foreign tourists come to Ladakh, especially for river rafting every year. The thrill of emerging triumphant over the swirling waters is a feeling unmatched by any other.